So it says advanced portable car camcorder, digital video camera, digital voice recorder, digital still camera, motion detection function, loop recording, auto turn off on while power on off. Specification says SD camera, SD recording, loop recording, auto turn on off, motion detection, JPEG, built-in speaker. It does not say anything about the video format though on the spec. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, in the box it has nothing in here. Car mount, car charger, mini USB cable, and the actual camera, the G1WH. There is a small plastic cover on the lens. If you can focus it up. Okay, that you have to remove before using it. I was expecting it to be here, but it was not here, but inside on the box, like just loose. Maybe it fell off from this position here. Anyway, that's the camera, and then it has the warm tips thingy. I think warm tips translated from Chinese means friendly tips or friendly reminder. Then it has the manual. It doesn't say G1WH either here. It just says vehicle black box DVR, and it has Chinese, English, and Russian. Okay, so looks like that's all it has here. Oh, on the warm tips or friendly tips, it says if it appears distorted or dead, mostly because the storage card does not match the machine. So some micro SD cards will work better with this Dashcam, while some others don't. So if you research online, then you'll see some of the transcend don't go well with this one, but Kingston or A-Data, G-Skill work fine. And it says right here, it says, please use the original authentic Kingston class 10 storage card. Other brands card and class 4 card does not recommend to use. If you don't use the machine for a long time, the internal battery will automatically burn. Please charge for more than 10 minutes when used again. So, but I've read online that you can upgrade the firmware and then most class 10 will work fine, even up to 128 gig. So I'll plan on upgrading firmware once I test the initial firmware and see how it compares later on. So let's see if it has any battery left on it. The power button is here. Okay. Hey, what do you know? It has full battery charge and it says INT. I think that's for internal. Maybe it has a tiny amount of internal memory, and also has the WDR logo on the top. That means a wide dynamic range, and the 3 with the loop is 3 minutes for loop, and I'm not sure what this one means yet. That, and the exposure is at 0 and everything looks good. Menu, resolution, loop recording, WDR, exposure, motion detection, record audio, G sensor, date stamp, and if you go to the other menu, it's date and time, auto power off, beep sound, language, TV mode. Let's see what this does, the TV mode. I don't know what happened. Let's see, how do you say okay? Looks like I have to read the manual. Anyway, so it has these functions: screen protection, IR LED, format to format the micro SD card, default setting. I think it resets back to default, and the version is, how do I say okay, 2014.0509, and then TV mode, NTSC or PAL. Since I'm in US, I set to NTSC. I don't like the beep sound. Turn it off. Auto power off, doesn't matter. I think auto power off 15 seconds would be good. This may be the screen saver instead of the unit itself turning off, so I'll just leave it as it is. Let's go back to the menu here. Sequence, not sure what that does. Maybe it numbers the videos. Quality, normal. I'll put it on fine. Sharpness, white balance, auto, ISO, auto. Exposure at 0 is fine for now. Anti-sacking off for now. HDR on. I'm not sure if this HDR menu is correct, because I thought G1WH only has WDR, not HDR. So maybe this new firmware has HDR, not sure. Photo quality, I set it to 10 megapixel. Well, it says no, but that's fine. It does say SDR, so maybe SDR is for the stills and WDR is for the video. Maybe, yeah, I think that's what it is. So WDR is for the video and HDR is for the still image on this one. Motion detection, record audio on is good. G sensor is at medium. Date stamp, okay. Yeah, I think that's all. 1080p, full HD. That's what I want. Loop recording at 3 minutes. WDR on. Okay. That's it. I'll test it tomorrow and see how it performs. Thanks.